A turbocharged engine can really test the strength of factory intake boot clamps. As these boots age and oil builds up in the intake system, pressure leaks become more common. When that happens, your truck loses power and runs poorly. Dorman's OE fixed power band clamps have been designed specifically to eliminate problems with standard clamps on turbocharged engines. Their unique design starts with the patented curved profile, which grips better than the factory-style flat clamps and requires less installation torque. Made of tough stainless steel, this design makes better contact between the boot and the intake flange even if they're oily, and the robust, enclosed worm-style drive screw is stronger than the standard T-drive screw to ensure you can tighten properly. Together, these features ensure leak-free performance up to 100 psi when installed correctly, eliminating the need to double clamp. These Dorman power band clamps are available in a variety of sizes so you can find the right fit to keep your truck running at full power.